What's happening, y'all? What's happening? Just showing y'all today's episode. Received that payment and that material money, so I'm able to finish up. Now I got a sand down over here. Little imperfection sand down over there, but today she'll be primed up. You see I got that sunroof closed, so figured out that issue. Now I gotta get behind here, and yesterday I stopped right here, so I need to smooth that on out. Smoothing it out, and she'll be good to go. So I got my 2 wires soldered for him right there. I'm gonna go ahead and start them up today. I know she's supposed to be gone Saturday, so I'm gonna go on and start her up. Sorry I got this sun in y'all's see if we can get it at least right here. Sorry about the sun, y'all. Let's get this super cold start. Let the fuel. Let's do some pedal. I gotta get all the way on the floor. Oh shit, what's going on with Dame's car? Hold on, y'all, let's see. So I don't know what I did, but just turned the steering wheel and it started up. I don't know, this car got something going on with it. So yeah, she running. She ain't ran in a minute. Let's get this focus for y'all. What's going on? There we go. Ooh, bunch of smoke going on. Shit. She idled down. Sound good. She's clearing up. She ain't ran in a minute. Clearing up. A little 305 back there. Boy, ain't nothing like the Chevy smell, boy. That exhaust. I love that smell. Ooh, that smell smells so good. Alright, so now y'all see this mess. I had to clean all this off for him. I ain't gonna send it back looking like this. So, y'all see all this mess. All this got to be taken up and cleaned up. I got my little suck vac ready. Yeah, I don't know what you're gonna do with your little. That's what you was saying, map sensor. It's idle. Yeah. I see what you're talking about, okay. Yeah, he gonna need one of those. Yeah, 'cause she idle real funny. Air idle control. It's just sticking. Okay, well, I'm gonna just let him idle for a little bit more. Just idle. They ain't know he got a hurt motor on this car, so he gonna be getting him an engine. He just idle real funny. But she need to be ready to go. So, yeah, that's what we say. Yeah. So I'm out here cleaning up too. Just cleaning up. Put off some air in Dame's tire. So he come, he should be good to go. Ready to slap him on the trailer, get him on back to the rapids. But yeah, the next scene y'all will see is this will be sanded down and primed up, and I'm on to this OBS that I got in the yard now. I need this OBS sitting right here now, so this can go home now. All right, y'all, in a minute. What's happening? LS Chevy Ride 89 back with another one. Back with this panoramic update. Box Chevy Dames. You see, I done took care of that brain line. Just got a little sand to do, filled in them imperfections. I gotta sand them. This is the only side that needs sanding. Front, I got a few little spots. One here, there. I got another one in the middle. The back is good. You see, back good. Back had a hole in the skin, so I had to fill that in, but it's all good. It's all good. In the back. This side is all good. I got one right here, imperfection. Gotta fill in there. I think I got one somewhere down there. I gotta fill in, but y'all seen this sunroof open and closing, so yeah, I got that to work. That's all simple. You wouldn't even believe that. I don't know, people making it seem like, you know, it's a secret to this shit or something. I don't know. So I be in my own little world, y'all. But yeah, I took y'all along with a ride with me and jumping off. But yeah, let's show y'all. I got all this stuff in y'all way. Got the tire aired up for Dane. So Saturday, he said he's coming to get it Saturday. So tires aired up, and I'm gonna be moving him real soon. But y'all boys see it. It's in there. Let me blow this off and y'all get a better look at it. Alright, y'all, so I blew it off. Got my tank. It's raining another air. I'm about done for the day. So man, this look good. And that's closed. That's the issue I was having with it closing it. And she closed now, so yeah. Yeah, dang, like I said, man. Come on and get your shit up out my yard, man. I'm ready for her to go. Shit, I need my spot. Like I've been saying in these videos. Take her back up north, get her that heart transplant, 'cause she need that. Burning oil and everything. So, alright, y'all. It's just an update of Dame's box Chevy and what's going on with it. And if you like this video, rate, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I'll see you guys soon.